Reporter. At 2-3-quarter. 2-9. Dansil darah si Contreras. Dansil gagamit ang katawan. Dansil it's a foul. Lapit na po kung sinong gusto yung shift game. Shift game. Itong Dansil. Dansil no good. And the rebound by Dansil. Dansil. And the rebound by Dansil na naman. Nakikking ball na. 9 minutes and 43 seconds. Pareha, bit-bit, pareha, mga katawan, pareha, bibitaw. But no good, and nabibitaw nito nga. Heredero, Babia, sa kitang-kita bossing, it's a trap. Lampago. Bit-bit. Screen. Last 10 seconds to shoot.
Get on the screen. Kaya.
Dansil. No good. Pareha.
No, talaga sa rebound.
Last 8 seconds to shoot. Lampago. No good. Dansil in the big round. Last 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Dansil for the big shot. Last 8 on the shot clock. Last 5 on the shot clock. Dansil nakalasit. Pulik and one. Dansil.
Sa inyong bola mo. Sa inyong bola.
Scored 1 second. Last 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Dansil for the long basket. No good. And the big rebound by Lampago for the dribbling. Oras ito niya. And projected by Lampago.
Good.
Dansil.
Screen.
Last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot.
Tira na.
Last 3 seconds to shoot.
Tira.
Flag violation. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 5 seconds. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Lampago, breaking build. Lampago for the round. Very good with the rebound. That's the rep. And last ball. 7 minutes and 58 seconds.
Kaya yan, Jack. Kaya yan.
And again, no good. And a big rebound by Pareha. Pareha, tangan ng bola. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Last 10 on the shot clock. Pareha for the market. No good. And a big rebound by Lampago. Lampago, big down. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Pareha, mga katawan. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Pareha. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Hindi tumama na rin. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pagbiyahe. Shot clock violation.
Kaya yan.
That's 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Counted.
It's a traveling violation. Nakitang-kita sa kanyang pagtakbo. And traveling violation. Last 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Lampago, last time on the shot clock was the rep. It's a traveling violation na naman. Puro na tayo sayawan na walang tugtugan.
Ilan time out nila, sir? Dalawa.
Dansil. For the long shot by Dansil. Nakuha ditong Pareha. Pareha, bibit-bit ng bola for the game plan by Pareha. Mangangatawan. Babia, umbala Pareha. Break in one. All one na po tayo dyan. All one. Itong Lampago for the cross by Lampago. Babia, itong batang Lampago. Nakuha ngayon itong niya. Heredero for the pass by Dansil. Last time on the shot clock. Dansil for the tackle. No good. The rebound by Lampago for the cross. Lampago haras itong Pareha. Pareha for the big shot. Last 8 on the shot clock. Pareha. Big out. Sweet. Connect in one. pareha na ulit yan. Lampago na naman susubog for the game on. Last 10 on the shot clock. Last 8, 7, 6, 5. And away shot. Very good. And last 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Kaya mo yan.
Last 10 on the shot clock. Last 8, 5,
Tira.
3. Connecting one. Good tayo
Tira,
dyan.
tira.
All deadlock to tayo dyan.
Labas mo.
Continuous yan, Mong.
Last 10
Continuous yan.
minutes and 52 seconds. Last 10 on the shot clock. Last 8 on the shot clock. Dancing for the hat. And 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 43. Last 10 on the shot clock. And agaw itong pareha sa kanyang pagkapon. 2 points. Deadlock na tayo dyan mga boss. Last 5 minutes and 30. And again, by Lampago, 2 points for the team's favor. Itong pareha, bibit-bit. And also, and
Violation,
it's
violation.
a violation. Dahil hindi nyo nilabas, is a knock basket.
Mong.
Mamaya na.
Kailangan po ilabas nyo yan. At sa outro, itong team ng Godzilla.